Hello, my name is Damal, and I'm the lead developer of Devinity 2. In this video, I will show you a quick review of this grid thing that I made, and you probably have seen a small picture of it in FacePunch. So let's take a look at it. First off, this is a solid system that I just messed around with. So we have a bunch of these small dots, which represents the small entities in the solar system. So you can actually just hover over an item and drag it around. That's just about it. But I will add a lot more cool stuff that you can do with it, like adding stuff which will be in right next to the grid. You can drag around the window if you want, so that's just another thing, a small detail. In case you don't have a mouse wheel, if you don't, you fail. So in case if you don't have a mouse wheel, you can use these buttons. Reset resets the camera just in case you drag like all the way somewhere random. You can always reset. But it's very simple. It's very simple to use. Yep. Another thing is that I'm still working on this button, but so far I have to use the console command. I'm not sure why. Small things, but I will fix it in the future update. Create solar system. I want to name mine FacePunch, just like that. Boom. And then you will notice that you have a new view of the solar system. This is similar to the grid, but you can always use the grid if you want to edit a map or something. Or you can just enter the camera mode and then drag around your camera. When you hover over an item, it turns green. You can drag it around like that, just like you did in the grid. So it's very basic, and I might be just a little bit weird today because I just came home from some really important stuff. So that's just about it so far. I will add a lot of new features, as said. Let's take a look at what we also have here. Oh, looks like there's pirates around. Floating in space. So every single moderator can have their own solar system. They can modify solar systems as much as they like. They can also create new ones, and this is exactly what I want. The more solar systems there are, the more variety that people can join. So it's pretty much having a home for yourself, except you can invite people in. So it's like a server inside a server, if you can say it like that. Let's see, where am I? I'm all over there. Gotta drag myself. There you go. This is the main portal. The portal that people fly into. But so far it's just like lol. Not really functioning well, so I'm using a menu instead, if you have seen that. Let's see if I can get this view away from me. There you go. Now the reason why it's slow is because of fraps. It limits my FPS to somewhere around 30 FPS. But I guarantee you, if you have a really high FPS, at least a dual-core processor, you should be able to handle everything well over 200 FPS. So it goes much faster up. So you have a bunch of different solar systems here already. You can press refresh, and we have our new solar system that we just created, FacePunch. So we're already in FacePunch, so we can't jump to it. Look, nothing happens. There are certain solar systems in this galaxy that you can't modify. One of them is the spot, which is called Akeda. You cannot modify this one. In case you're a moderator or something tries to modify stuff, you cannot edit this one. It's simply solid. Everything is saved in the MySQL, so in case the server shuts down or something, it will be saved, so no worries. that's just about it. Thank you, everyone.